Hi everybody, I'm Marianne Binetti, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick centerpiece just using a couple of houseplants and things you have sitting around the kitchen. So first thing, you find yourself a tray. This is my inspiration. This tray with handles. I'm going to turn this into a great centerpiece that I can move onto a table or onto a buffet. But if you only have maybe this is just a plastic low bowl, you could use something like this, or even a much smaller, even a serving tray. You can do a smaller version of this very simple and quick idea. So let's get started. Okay, first thing you got to do, I did spend $4 and bought a small poinsettia plant. This is going to last Thanksgiving, Christmas, up through January, but you know, any season of the year, use a different plant. I'm going to put it facing the most flowers this way, and this bromeliad house plant goes in next. Now I could set these in small bowls, and then look at, this is just a succulent. It's a Kalanchoe. The flowers are fading. I'm going to put it in the back just so that I have some greenery. It's not the most gorgeous house plant. Okay, that's all we got. We've got those 3 plants, and now we dress them up. First thing you want to do, look around for, I've got pumpkins left over from Halloween. I've got oranges, apples on one side. Then, because it's going to be kind of Christmassy, I've got pine cones. And what I've done is some of these pine cones are painted with a little bit of a gold spray paint. Then I also had some bronze spray paint, so I painted some of those as well. Pine cones, and then ornaments. I have these, they're non-breakable Christmas ornaments, and if you're decorating your tree, leave out a couple ornaments to make your centerpiece. These are on a decoration, just little bells, and I said, hey, why not use those? And some artificial succulents. If you've got some real succulents, use those as well. And basically all we're going to do is start building. I'm going to stick the pumpkins, they're the biggest, behind first. Building a pyramid in front of the pots, in front of your pots. So this little white pumpkin, and then you just keep piling up. I'm going to save the glittery stuff for the end. The pine cones, always remembering your goal is simply to cover the pots. And add the oranges, keep going. And once we're going to get them all pretty well covered up, it's kind of a giant cornucopia for winter. Oh, this has to be taller. Sometimes you can take these guys in to really use them to cover pots. And these stems can go in here. Make a nice way to cover. So it just looks very lush, but still organic. This little bell is going to go down front, maybe help him stick up. No glue, no mechanics, no nothing, but a tray full of goodness. You could have a candle in here, and then I had some leftover pretty ribbon. I will wind that through the display. And I'll bend this leaf down so we can see the poinsettia better. And there we go, a lush centerpiece. I could even take this with me someplace if I had to bring like a fruit display, and I could go put it on the table. This has been Marianne Binetti, Easy Answers for Greek Gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.